For today's vlog, we are going to Pattaya, Thailand. But before anything else, it's me again, Cedric to Travel the Lifestyle Vlogger, giving you a list of travel itineraries. So don't forget to follow me here on YouTube for more travel content. Ito pa na pupunta natin is located at the east coast ng Thailand, and we will visit their famous attraction, which is the Nok Noch Tropical Garden. So right now, nandito tayo sa pit stop wherein nakikita natin yung beach area ng Pattaya, Thailand. By the way guys, we booked this tour package via Klook at kasama na sa package yung hatid sundo nyo from Bangkok. Naka-flash na rin sa screen nyo itong tour package na to. So as mentioned kanina, pit stop lang ito. Mga 20 minutes lang tayo dito para sa quick photoshoot. Sayang kasi dahil ang ganda ng background tapos libre pa ha, no entrance fee. They call this Khao Phra Tam Nak viewpoint. So I hope I pronounce it correctly. For our next stop, that will be the Nok Noch Tropical Garden. I believe this is the highlight ng tour package na ito dahil literal na kahit saan ka daw lumingon dito ay Instagram-worthy pictures ang makukuha mo. So pagkapasok mo, ang bubungad sa iyo itong mga elephant na to. Napakarami nila at ang cute pa. Pwede mo silang pakainin ng saging. May nabibili naman dito. On our way to the Baguio ride, sa sukat na 96 hectares ay hindi mo ito maiikot kapag lalakarin mo lang. Good thing, kasama sa aming entrance fee na binayaran ay yung free Baguio ride. Dito makikita nyo yung landscaping ng garden nila at may mga statue na rin ng animals.
They say the dinosaur very long neck and the biggest in the world. Oh here, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ito naman yung cactus area nila. Nasa 1 hectares din ito ha. Over 300 species of cactus ang makikita mo rito. They also have outdoor plants. Nakaka-relax din makita yung ganito, no? Kaya pala dumarami yung mga plantito at plantita. Alam nyo guys, ito yung gusto kong sightseeing. Yung chill lang, nakasakay ka, tapos you're enjoying the scenery.
Wow, really impressive one, big one. Like a pineapple. Outside you see have the flower.
Here, sa part na ito, yung mga flowers naman. Here you'll get a chance to see the most unique and rare florals such as rose, sunflowers, tulip, azalea, and many more. Tuwang-tuwa yung mama ko dito dahil nakita niya yung magagandang flowers nila dito sa area na to. Iba't ibang kulay at saka maraming tulips.
Water plants garden different side. Like this lotus matut.
We are now entering the Dinosaur Valley. They've got more than 100 species of dinosaur and they also add sounds of dinosaur to make the tourists feel more interesting and feel like staying in the dinosaur period. So talagang mahuhook talaga ang mga turista dito. May mga kasama kaming ibang tourist na may kasamang chikiting at talaga naman nag-enjoy sila. Para ka kasing nasa Jurassic Park. Ito yung part na nag-park muna yung sinasakyan namin buggy ride para makakuha kami ng mga pictures. Talaga namang kakaiba yung feeling. Bihira yung ganitong park ha. Tsaka amazing talaga yung paggawa ng sculpture. Imagine mo, more than 100 species of dinosaur. Alam nyo, don't miss out na puntahan ito. I'm telling you, napaka-worth it ng ibabayad nyo dito sa Nok Noch. On our way out, dumaan kami sa mga plants naman na pang-indoor. Ito, pansinin nyo, alagang-alaga. Sabi kasi ng tour guide namin, Nok Noch have more than 2,000 employee. Ang dami, right? Well, napakahirap kasing i-manage yung 96 hectares na puno ng plants, trees, flowers, landscape garden, and many more. Need na namin tapusin itong tour na to kasi mag 1 PM na. Almost 3 hours din kami nag-iikot. Wala pa kaming lunch. Huwag kayong mag-alala guys kasi may food court naman inside the Nok Noch Tropical Garden. Different cuisine kaya marami kayong choices. Pagbalik namin dito sa Bangkok, agad namin dinaanan tong Central World. Isa to sa mga kilalang mall dito sa Bangkok. Balita namin magaganda din daw ang mga mall dito sa Bangkok. Also, ang sabi nila, masarap daw yung mango sticky rice dito sa food court nila. Siyempre, hindi rin namin pinalagpas itong gentlewoman. So, dumaan kami rito para ipamili ang aking buting ina. Dinner time! Ito, samahan nyo kaming mamili ng mga kakainan. Ang laki din talaga ng kanilang food court dito At kakaiba dahil hindi sila tumatanggap ng cash dito. Need mo munang pumunta sa isang food court reception at bumili ng card na gagamitin mo dito sa food court. Huwag kayong mag-alala dahil yung matitira doon sa card nyo ay refundable naman. Another day, another shopping budol day. For today's shopping, dito naman kami sa Platinum Mall. Halos same lang din naman ang price sa Pratunam. Pero ang nagustuhan namin dito sa Platinum ay nakaayos yung bilihan per floor. Ibig sabihin, hindi ka na mahihirapan hanapin yung bibilan mo. Welcome to Asiatech, the Riverfront. So this is an open-air mall that offers a dynamic combo of shopping, dining, sightseeing, and events. Guys, this can be an option kasi unlike Central World and Icon Siam na crowded, dito walang gaanong tao. Pero what I love about this area ay all-in-one na ito. As mentioned kanina, open-air mall ito, pero ang pinagkaiba niya ay may theme park na. So after mo mag-shopping, kumain, nag-enjoy sa Chao Phraya River, no? Pwede mo ring itry yung mga rides dito. Picture. You can discover a range of food and beverage options stretch out along 300 meters of Chao Phraya River. Legit na ang daming food selection dito. Also, pansinin nyo guys, dumarami na ang tao while lumalapit na yung sunset. Ikaw ba naman, sunset sa riverside? Diba? Perfect date for everyone. So we decided to hop on dito sa Chao Phraya River Express boat nila para makapag-tour at ma-experience namin itong alternative transport nila sa Bangkok. Sulit ito dahil sa halagang 60 baht ay makakapunta ka na sa iba't ibang destination mo basta along Chao Phraya lang ang station na pagbababaan mo. Kasi kami, we're going to Icon Siam. So itong pinaka-best na mode of transportation going to Icon Siam. We finally arrived here at Icon Siam Mall. Ang ganda talaga dito sa Riverside, no? Majestic yung lights sa labas ng Icon Siam in front of the Riverside ng Chao Phraya. So I think this is one of the best mall na nakita ko in Asia. So this is the famous food court here in Icon Siam. So this is called Suk Siam. Suk meaning happy, and then Siam means old Thai. So Suk Siam showcases the arts, culture, tradition, food, and the way of life of 77 provinces across Thailand in 4 regions. There are over 3,000, mind you 3,000 local businesses in it, spread throughout 7 zones of Icon Siam. Yun, after namin pumunta na Icon Siam at mag-dinner doon sa Suk Siam, ay pabalik na kami ng Philippines. So, again guys, don't forget to follow me here on YouTube and TikTok. So, that's all for today guys, and see you on my next travel vlog.